Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to change hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone. Guys, how can you change your hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone? Today I am going to tell you about this setting. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start with, friends. First of all, open your setting app. After, guys, come on portable hotspot. Click on, guys, setup portable hotspot and click on, guys, Redmi here. Delete it, and guys, you can change your hotspot name like mi phone. Example for, guys, I am telling, guys, you can set yourself, and after you can see this right option, so we will click here, and guys, you can see your new hotspot name mi phone. So I think, guys, you have understood how to change hotspot name in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.